Hello everyone, so we're going to open this Galaxy S24 FE from Costco. The reason why I got this for free because it's when you're a member of Costco, there's a rebate every time not rebate, I mean there's a cashback every time you purchase. If you use their credit card everywhere, especially the gasoline station, they give you a 3% cashback. So for the whole year I got almost not actually it's 700 something, and this is on sale right now on Costco for 720, and I got my cashback for is 707. So I only pay this actually for $20. So let's try to open. Oh, ayan siya. So wow, 3 cameras. I think they were saying this is a really good for taking videos and pictures. So this one, let's do this. Take this out. Wow, it's so nice, guys. Actually, we cannot turn on yet because it wasn't charged yet. So let's see if there's a charger included. Oh yes, so then we can charge it and then we can try that. So if you guys are a member of Costco and you had a card, keep using that. I use it everywhere, even to purchase a grocery so that I can get the cash back. So especially last year I used a lot because I did renovation and I bought a lot of stuff for the house. So that's why I get more than 700 cash back. And also I had the 2 cars that like to keep filling in. So my family actually, not only me. So we had 2 cars. So and I use a lot of gasoline because of at work I travel a lot. So every week or sometimes not even a week, I have to fill in my gas, and with the gas is like a 3% cashback. So if you remember, so keep using it and you never know what you can get. Bye bye for now. Hopefully this is a nice one. So actually this is not a new one anymore. This is the latest from last year. There's a new one now. I think it's 25 now. So but I don't mind. The phone is always a phone. I don't want to be on update all the time. So phone is a phone as long as it's working.